In this video today, guys, I'm going to show you a really good method that you can use to be selling other people's products at a markup price, and you could potentially make, well, thousands of dollars even in a week's time, or certainly in a month's time. All right, so if this sounds like a really good method to you, which it is, it's a good little, quick little method, and it should work really easy, and it's all 100% free. Well, you want to stick around and watch this video. We're getting ready to get started on it here right now. But before we do, for those of you that are new to my videos and have not yet subscribed, well, anytime during this video, whenever you think about it, reach down there below the video, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there too, so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. All right, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this. It's a really easy method, and the site we're going to use today to find our products is this site right here, guys. It's called Etsy. You can look at it right up here in the address bar. It's Etsy.com. Right, this site is a site where people post products on here, similar to like Redbubble or even some of the other stores or sites, and they can sell their products on here. And as you can see, there are a lot of people buy products here on this site. Etsy is a really good site, and you can even have your own store here on this site too and sell as many products as you want as well. But today we're not going to have our own store here. I'm going to show you how to use other people's products and just be a markup, make a markup, or be a middleman, if you will, and make yourself, well, potentially thousands of dollars here. At the Etsy site, all I did, if you'll notice right here in the search engine, I typed in bath essential oils right here, guys. Now, mind you that this can be done from anywhere in the world, and this can be done with any product that you want. In fact, the more products that you'll post, well, the more opportunity that you'll have to make money. It's like anything, guys. You know, you got to have more than one product in your store, right? Well, it's the same thing here. You could have more than one product out there on the internet with your name attached to it. All righty, it's the same thing. So, I typed in here now bath essential oils. I'm sort of leaning towards women in this area. You could do it with any kind of thing you want, and towards men or children, whatever. But I'm leaning towards women here. So, bath essential oils, and it loaded up this. Now, before I clicked search, though, I clicked it over here where it says all filters. I made sure I checked free shipping. You want to do that. Check free shipping right here. And then you want to scroll down, and it says right here shop location. Now mine says United States, but if you're in Australia or if you're in UK or wherever you're from, that you'll see your location right here. Now you can check anywhere, tick anywhere right here, guys, or your location, or have a custom location if you want as well. So me, I just tick the United States location, and then come down. What you want to do is you want to click on apply after you do that, and then it'll do a search and show you all the ones with the free shipping here. As you can see here, some of this free shipping available, does say free shipping here, and so on and so forth. So that's how you want to set your filters like that on this site for whatever product that you're choosing to do this with. Now, then just scroll down, just pick one of the products that you think you like, and so on and so forth. And I kind of like these bath bombs and these types of things like this. So this one's kind of neat right here. This one's really good. I like these right here, and they're selling for $4.50. Okay, and it does have free shipping eligible, and it's one of the popular ones right now. So what you want to do, once you find a product that you like, just click on it, and that should load it up here for us. And you can see it gives you a title here: natural bath bomb, vegan organic bath bombs, a gift for her, essentials oils, scented, and so on and so forth. And people can even pick different weights that they want, and the different scents that they want, and so on and so forth, and the quantity. And then it comes down and it gives you a little bit of a description here, and so on and so forth. And this one has an incredible 5 stars lit up on 3,006 reviews. So at least this is 3,000 people we know that bought the product who did leave a review. It could be way more, thousands than that. We don't know. But nonetheless, this is the product that we want to use right here. So once you have a product that you want, now you see it's going for $4.50 plus. The plus is because of the different cents. It looks like they're charging different cents, prices for the cents. So you'll want to make sure that you add that on when you offer you can offer these cents to your customers as well. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to market this here in a minute. So stick around, keep watching here. It's $4.53 for this particular product right here. And what we want to do now that we have the product, how are we going to market this? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Facebook. And you see that I'm already logged into my Facebook account right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're not going to be doing groups today, guys. However, you might be able to do this with groups too. Now, you can use your creativity here on how you want to market this. I'm going to show you this one way to market this, and it's really good, and it's 100% free. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and click on Marketplace over here in the column on the left underneath your name, friends, groups, and Marketplace. Click on Marketplace, and it loads up the Marketplace in your area, wherever, because you said United States, right? So it's in your area. Now, so we want to come down, and we're going to pick a category here that we're going to put it in. So I'm going to put it in like family right here. Do we want it in health and beauty or baby and kids items? So we're going to go with health and beauty. Click on that. Anyways, and then we're going to click on personal care products. And there we go. So this will work right here. This is the right category that we want to put this in right here. So when you get it in, once you get it down to the right category of your product, whatever product you're using, it could be, guys, they got all kinds of them here. People selling all kinds of things, hats and caps, accessories, all kinds of stuff here under jewelry, rings and things, clothing and shoes, home living, wedding and party, toys and entertainment, arts and collectibles, craft supplies, and even gifts and gift cards. I mean, you can do this with any product that you want. Now, so when we get here in this particular category is where we want to put this. Now, what we want to do is we want to scroll up here, and you want to click on where it says create a new listing right here, guys. And that brings you over here, and then you want to pick item for sale, not unless you're selling a car or something like that, or selling your house. You want to pick item for sale right here. Click on that, and that brings this up right here, and you can see the title and all this stuff over here. But where you're going to edit it at is over here on the left-hand side, guys. You can see it right over here, and you can add photos or whatever right here, and we'll come back to that in a minute. But it wants a title, right? So all we do is we come back to our product, and we can just copy this title right here. Guys, I believe these are going to sell pretty good, at least this particular product, I would imagine, because it's a women's thing, and you know how women like bath stuff. And you can see that it put the title in right over here, guys. And then now it's wanting to set a price. Now, what you're going to do is this is $4.50 for this, the way you see it right here. What you want to do is you want to mark that up, say to $9 would be good. That gives us about a $5 profit margin. It says, please enter a shorter title. Okay, so we're going to take, there we go. Let's take it down to about right there. All right, so just cut it down just a little bit to make it happy here. Now choose $9. We marked it up almost $5 on that, and that's your profit margin. And then the category you're going to put it in, you're going to put it in, of course, back to where we were at, and it's going to be health and beauty. Put it in beauty, bath and body, bath bombs right there. Boom. Alrighty, category bath bombs, and then over here in your condition, of course, it's going to be brand new, right? And you can see over here, details and condition is new. All right, and then you want to put your description in. Well, come back to your product on Etsy, guys, and it's got the description right down here. We can click that so we can see it more. And basically all you need to do is just simply copy the description here about right there. That would be good enough, and we'll just take that and bring that back over here to Facebook, and then paste that in there like that. And there is no SKU number or nothing like that. And then scroll down and then just see boost the listing after published. That's where Facebook wants you to pay for it. Alrighty, guys, and then what we do, we forgot we want to add a photo here. So then, of course, what you do, just come back to your product, and you can use any of the photos that are on here. Like, you know, there's plenty of photos here that you can pick out of here. It doesn't matter. All you want to do is just take a photo, and you can either use your snipping tool, or you can right click on it and save the image as to your computer. And then just once it's downloaded to your computer, come back over here to Facebook, and then click right here, and it'll bring it up, and you just load it up off of your computer and put it in there. And then what you want to do is come down here and click on next at the bottom, and you can walk through and get this listing up in the marketplace on Facebook. So and what they'll do is they will message you, because it's coming from your account, as you can see right here in my account here. They will message you on that they're interested in it, in the particular product. And once that happens, then you have them pay you first for it. Probably you can pay you to PayPal or whatever. And then once they pay you, all you got to do is come back over to the product, and then you just order it. Now you want to put in there the different weights that they can get here. You'd want to add some of this other stuff in here, like the different scents that they could get now with this particular product anyway. And then when you get an order and they pay you for it, then you just come back over here and you order it from this site right here. Now you don't have to worry about it, because I'm sure that the people that have this post or this product up on Etsy, they're not going to say to you, I want you to stop selling my products for me, right? Because they're making money also. See, they're going to get their $4.50 plus whatever, plus the other things that are chosen here, but you're going to get the markup of that. You can also put in there the different markups for the cents, like you see right here. If you're doing something like this, it could be another product where you don't have to worry about that. But nonetheless, you'll just order the product from the site right here, from Etsy, and then you put the address in, and they will worry about shipping it. You don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about refunds. You don't have to worry about anything at all, anything related to customer service or anything, because Etsy's going to take care of all that for you. You just order it from the site here. The lady gets paid the $4.50, and you keep the profit, the $5 markup that you marked it up in your listing over here on Facebook. Now, guys, you could do this very same thing. How about like on classified ads? Go to classified sites and do this. Again, you could probably do it, even work out something with the groups here, like on Facebook groups, right? You could even do something in there. Just be a little creative about it, and don't spam your stuff or nothing. Just make it in there, get to know the people, and then just kind of offer it down below your name or in your thing. Make them curious. Out of curiosity, click on it, and or send you information about it, or to email you about it, or direct message you on Facebook, whichever. And you could do this on Instagram. You could do this on classified sites. You could do this probably on Reddit. You can just use your creativity of all the other different ways that you can market it. But this is a really good one here, coming to the marketplace on Facebook, and list your products just like that, and you become the middleman on a markup, and you make the profit on the marked up that you marked it up. Don't mark it up real way high and price yourself out. You just want to make it $4 or $5, particularly with this. Now, if it's something you're selling for $35 or $40, then you can mark it up to maybe $10 higher than that. All right? Just keep doing that over and over, and list these things up on Facebook, at least, if you don't do any other sites, and you should begin to make some pretty good money with sales like that right off of Facebook. Alrighty, well guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you like that, reach down there and give me a thumbs up down below. Also, if you have any comments, just leave them down in the comment section there below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, if you don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and click that notification bell. And if you want to see my free video presentation, it'll show you the formula on how you can learn to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer. Click down there below in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and then come over and see what my free video is all about there. It'll show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.